What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Gentlemen, it's time to get back on Project 4 to 8. This big mess right here, we're about to do something with it. So let's roll. Alright boys, so here is the plan for today on Project 4 to 8. We were gonna go ahead and just kind of throw the harness in the car and get going that way, and it just makes sense at this point to go ahead and pull the console and pull the dash for a couple of reasons. We're gonna feed this harness up. We want to make sure this harness is fed in there properly and everything sits in there good. And then of course this side over here, we're going to be changing out that harness and all that. So basically it just makes sense to pull the dash. Not only that, but the pedals, you know, we're going to swap the pedals out, and might as well go ahead and do a heater core while the dash is out. So that is the plan now. Just go ahead and pull that out, and yeah, it's going to have to come apart quite a few different times before it actually starts going back together, but that's okay. All right, boys, I did want to give you real quick. If you've never pulled the dash before, and you're trying, and you cannot figure out why the friggin' dash won't come out, right there. Now you just have to loosen it. You don't have to take this nut all the way off. Just loosen it so it kind of slides over it. But if you've taken every bolt out, you can't figure out why it won't move, that nut right there, directly below, above the steering column there. Just get in there and loosen that nut up. It'll come right out. All right, boys, so here we go. Dash is out. This is gonna make life 100% easier. And as you can see, there's not a lot to it as far as getting the dash out. So that's gonna allow us to, you know, get all the harnesses in there on that side, and then the V8 harness on this side. And of course, the whole pedal assembly is gonna come out. So, you know, as you can see, it's right there in your face. No worries pulling that out. So now, gonna pressure wash that engine bay, just kind of get everything cleaned up, and start moving forward with this beast. All right, boys, so here we go. Final update for the day on Project 4-8. Got all of the headlight harness out, and again, the reason we're doing that is because on the 4 cylinders, the alternator is on this side, and on the V8s, the alternator harness goes on this side. So we're just gonna replace all of it with the correct V8 harness. That way, it's 100% the way it needs to be. And obviously, we've got plenty of room here to start doing some wiring and get the pedals swapped. No sweat whatsoever. And of course, I'm gonna start doing getting some cleaning up going and all that. If you missed the upload where we got at the other car, here is the pedals, here is the V8 harness, here is the V8 brake booster. All good to go. I'm gonna have to spend a lot of time, which I'm not going to film, me just sitting here cleaning all this stuff. That will be fun. Boys, I'm working hard for you. So, that is what is up. The Project 4-8 moves forward, and very soon we will be headed to Charlotte for Foxtoberfest. You do not want to miss that. Once we get back, we'll be hard and heavy again on this one, and that one, and that one, and that one, and then the 2 out here, and then the other ones. So, right? Yeah? When are we gonna make some boost with this thing?
Soon.
We need to make boost. We need to do it carefully though. We're gonna roll into the throttle.
You did drive down the road.
Yes, definitely. All right, boys, so that is what is up. In the meantime, please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and we'll be back.